HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids, guess what? Today we're going to be colouring and drawing a pop-it unicorn! Woohoo! Start with the outline. And if you need to, you can pause the video and do one bit at a time. There we go! Let's do some stripes, horizontal going across from side to side, left to right. And now we're doing the poppers. So lots of circles in between each line. Brilliant! If you want, you could trace around a small circular object. That would make it easier. Brilliant! I wonder how many circles we will need to do all the poppers. Can you count them? Darkening up the border. That will make the colours stand out once we paint or colour it in. Did you manage to count how many poppers there were? How many circles? There are 28 circles! Well done! Great counting! So we've started with red. We're using a gorgeous glittery paint and a small tipped paintbrush. So we've gone for orange. Doing the circles first. Or you could just paint over the whole lot if you want it to be the same colour. Or why not use two different shades? One for the circles and one for the parts around the circles. Brilliant! Let's go for yellow. We're fading out here. Red to gold to yellow. Getting paler as we go. Lovely. What colour should we do next? Do you have a favourite colour? You can choose all your own favourite colours. You don't have to do the same as this. We're going to keep it yellow for the next one too. 2 layers of yellow, just like 2 layers of red. Green for the next part. That's right, because this is the neck of the unicorn going into the body. Lovely bright green, that is. Blue! Very nice. You see how the colours are fading into one another? It's just like a rainbow. And what colour shall we do the last layer? Purple! What a great choice! Purple is my favourite colour. What's yours? This unicorn's looking amazing, don't you think? And we're done! Woohoo! There you have it. Get poppin'. It's a pop-it unicorn disco. Hey kids, do you know the alphabet? And how are you at counting? Excellent! Let's draw the letters A, B, C. Do you know what those letters sound like? That's right. A, B, and K. Brilliant! Now let's do the numbers. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you count with me? Lovely! Now we've done the outlines, we can start painting. Let's start with red for the letter A. Can you think of any animals which start with the letter A? How about ant? Anteater. Oh, or what about aardvark? Brilliant! Let's do a green bee. What can you think of that starts with the letter B? Look around your room and see what you can find. Maybe a ball, a basket. Now for the letter C, we're going to do it nice and purple. C is for cat. Excellent! Time to paint our numbers. Number 1 is yellow because it's so much fun. Number 2 is pink because it loves to think. Beautiful! And finally, number 3 is going to be blue like the sea. Round we go. And we're done! There you go, you did it! A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, Well done!